Don Bosco, return to the young, to deepen your life. Let's start our friends from Christ. Don Bosco left his home to shelter the young, to love them, care for them, and to guide them, leading them to God by saving their soul. He reached out to them, the poor and the young. Return to Don Bosco, return to the young, to deepen human life. Let's start our friends from Christ. The young searches for love, for freedom and for life. They're longing, they're striving for greater happiness. There's none to listen to them, there's none to understand. Let's be the